Good morning. Today is Vlogmas day 2 and a couple of things. One, you guys, I had an issue with getting my tree decorated. My sister and I, like, I don't even know how many years ago, it had to be maybe, let me think, it had to be about 5 years ago or so. We were couponers and I did get, it's missing some lights here. Something's not plugged up. But yeah, so what I'm really missing is I have some like deer ornaments that I know that I use, so whatever's in that box is missing. And then normally I have like a deer that sits on this side. This thing I never even really use, but I decided to put up. So the tree is put up and it's still, decorations are still missing. Elfie came to visit us today and it seems like she did not like how our cookies tasted. Dear DJ and Bree, these cookies taste yucky. I won't let you give these to Santa. Try again. Hey, I have to go to work this morning. So, pretty much start the shower for my son and have him get up. Okay, you guys, so now I am fully dressed. I got some clothes here that I need to give away. So I'll probably drop these off at Goodwill, and I have a full bag right here that needs to be given away. Come on, DJ, let's go. Come on. Turn your TV off. Okay, so they're out here. So I'm just finishing up some laundry. There's a car over here. I just dropped off my son, and at his school you can drop them off. The school starts at 8:15. You can drop them off at 8 o'clock, and then let me see. So at 8 o'clock, I'm never, DJ is late so much, you guys, and it's really been that way since my son my daughter was born. It's like my daughter just completely thrown us off. So yeah, so he's normally a little bit late, like 5 minutes late, or he's just on time. So he gets to school today, so I got him dropped off. It's 8 o'clock. Right now I'm headed to work. So, I want to talk about this. So you may see my husband in a video, vlog, or whatever, here and there maybe, but he really doesn't like to be on camera. He doesn't like it. So I just like respect his wishes. So he talked about maybe, you know, being a little bit, but I'm not sure. So that's why you'll see I am married. I've been married, I got married back in 2017. So next year, March, will make 3 years, because Bree really is a daddy's girl. As soon as we get home, I'm fortunate enough to bring her to work with me some days. So she comes to work with me some days. She goes to her grandma. If my husband has like, he's called out for a job or whatever, and he goes there. Right now, we just got home. Uh-oh. My tripod was broken by someone. Bree. Okay, so we just got home. As you can see here, I got groceries that I need to put up. Picked up a few groceries, and here's DJ. Say hey, DJ. Hi. He has an attitude because he doesn't want to do his homework. Bree wants to show you that she's eating some cereal. So I'm gonna put these groceries up. And oh my god, you guys, so I a little sneak peek of how horrible my refrigerator looks. So I'm gonna clean out my refrigerator. I'm currently editing the vlog so that I can get it up. So I did get the inside of the refrigerator reorganized. It's not perfect, but it will have to do for now. So got everything organized. I'm gonna cook pork chops tomorrow. And so I left that out. I know it should be on the bottom shelf, but these taller stuff don't fit. So I am getting ready to call it a night. So talk to you guys tomorrow. This ends day 2